Welcome to Keywords in 2 minutes. Today's topic is chain of thought. It's the most famous prompting trick in the world. But why does it actually work? Let's start the clock. Chain of thought, aka COT, is the technique of forcing AI to break a complex problem into logical steps before giving an answer. The classic version is the magic phrase, think step by step. When you add this to a prompt, you are fundamentally changing how the model processes information. Without it, the AI tries to predict the final answer immediately. It's like a student guessing the answer on a math test without doing the calculation. But with chain of thought, the AI is forced to show its work. It generates intermediate context, step-by-step reasoning that guides it to the correct result. For example, if you ask for the best laptop, COT forces it to first list criteria, then compare specs, and finally rank them. This logical path kills hallucinations. Now, an update. New reasoning models, like OpenAI's O1, actually perform this chain of thought internally. They spend time thinking before they even start typing. This doesn't make COT less important. It makes it more critical. This concept is now the foundation for a whole new wave of advanced applications. For example, try this pro tip. Before letting the AI write the full answer, ask it, "What is your plan?" Check its logic. Look for gaps or potential biases. Then, refine the plan together before it starts working. This simple interaction turns the AI from a black box into a collaborative partner, ensuring the result matches your goal. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please hit like and subscribe for more AI insights. See you next time.